Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. I'm just getting started and your support means the world as I grow this channel. Also, big thank you to everyone who watched the last video. The response really surprised me and I'm so grateful for all your views and feedback. So let's keep this journey going. Today we're diving into Meta's latest addition to their VR lineup, the Meta Quest 3S. Whether you're a VR enthusiast or just curious about upgrading your gear, stick around because we're covering everything you need to know. Let's get started. Now, if you've been following Meta's journey, you'll know they've been pushing the boundaries of virtual reality. The Meta Quest 3, released earlier, made waves with its powerful hardware and mixed reality capabilities. But now, we have the Quest 3S, a more affordable, streamlined version of the Quest 3 that sacrifices some features to hit a lower price point. So, what's different? The Quest 3S has Fresnel lenses instead of the thinner pancake lenses on the Quest 3, which make it slightly bulkier and offers less visual clarity. The display resolution is also lower, coming at 1832 by 1920 pixels per eye, compared to the Quest 3's 2064 by 2208. And while the Quest 3 provides continuous interpupillary distance adjustment, the Quest 3 opts for 3 fixed IPD positions. The field of view on the 3S is narrower at 96 degrees compared to 110 degrees on the Quest 3. And storage options cap out at 256 gigs, where the Quest 3 goes all the way up to 512. In terms of pricing, the Quest 3S costs £290 in the UK and $300 in the US, making it one of the most affordable ways to get into Meta's VR ecosystem. Let's talk about some standout features and personal experiences I've had with the Quest 3S. First, I want to highlight how much I've enjoyed watching video content on this headset. Streaming Netflix, YouTube, or even using the browser to catch up on other content is a real treat. The ability to increase the screen size and curve the screen for a wraparound effect makes for a truly immersive experience. It's like having your own private cinema, perfect for unwinding after a long day. Another great feature is hooking up an Xbox controller to the Quest 3S. Through Game Pass Ultimate, I've been able to play remote games via xCloud. Whether it's racing games or action-packed adventures, the immersion level is fantastic. The Quest 3S, paired with Game Pass Ultimate, allows you to stream your favourite Xbox games directly to your headset. While the experience is incredibly immersive, keep in mind that it's heavily dependent on your internet connection. A stable Wi-Fi connection shows smooth gameplay, while any lag or drops in speed can impact the experience. The Quest 3S isn't just about entertainment, it has some potential for productivity as well, though it's not perfect. Using virtual workspaces, you can set up multiple virtual monitors, which is great for productivity tasks like coding, writing, or video editing. Apps like Immersed let you work in a focused environment with an expansive virtual desk space, which is surprisingly effective for concentration. However, there are drawbacks. The lower resolution means text isn't as sharp as it could be, making it less ideal for long-term use compared to a high-quality monitor. Plus, the fixed IPD adjustment might cause discomfort for some users after extended periods. While it's a neat concept, it feels like it's not quite there yet for everyday productivity. Gaming on the Quest 3S is a bit of a mixed bag for me personally. I was playing Ghostbusters VR, which is a fun game on paper, but after about 10 minutes I started to feel motion sickness. Now, this isn't necessarily a fault of the Quest 3S, but rather VR gaming in general. So, for those of you who are prone to motion sickness, it's something to keep in mind before diving in. The lower display resolution also comes into play here. In fast-paced games or experiences with a lot of fine details, you'll notice a drop in clarity compared to the Quest 3. It's not a deal breaker, especially for casual gaming, but it's worth mentioning. So, is the Meta Quest 3 worth it? If you're new to VR or looking for an affordable entry point, the Quest 3S delivers solid performance and access to a vast content library at a great price. At £290 in the UK and $300 in the US, it's an excellent choice for those wanting to explore virtual reality without breaking the bank. However, it does come with some compromises. For gamers or productivity-focused users, the lower resolution and Fresnel lenses might be noticeable limitations. And if you're prone to motion sickness, like me, VR gaming in general might take some getting used to. Ultimately, the Quest 3S is a budget-friendly option that sacrifices some premium features to hit a lower price. If affordability is your priority and you're okay with a few compromises, it's definitely worth considering. So that's a wrap on our Quest 3S review. What do you think? Are the trade-offs worth it for the lower price, or would you stick with the Quest 3? And what about motion sickness? Has that been a problem for you in VR? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.